There's something happening in your body right now that you might not even feel. It's silent, it's subtle, but it's affecting everything, from your mood and energy to your skin, immune system, digestion, and even your ability to think clearly. I'm talking about your gut. And if you've been struggling with bloating, brain fog, acne, anxiety, autoimmune symptoms, or just a general feeling of being off, you need to hear this, because the root of it all could be your gut health. Now, here's what most doctors won't tell you. You can heal your gut naturally. No fancy supplements, no prescriptions, no gimmicks, just real powerful foods and natural habits that support your body's ability to repair and rebuild. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. We'll cover the top foods, the key habits, and the gut healing protocol that has changed lives. And if you stick around to the end, I'll also share one surprising practice that almost no one is talking about, but it could be the missing piece for your transformation. Let's start with a truth that might shock you. You are not just human. You're also home to over 100 trillion bacteria. These microbes live mostly in your gut and form what we call the gut microbiome. This internal ecosystem controls how you digest food, absorb nutrients, regulate hormones, manage inflammation, and defend against illness. When your microbiome is healthy, you thrive. When it's out of balance, your whole body suffers. Most people today unknowingly have what's called gut dysbiosis, an imbalance between good and bad bacteria. This can be caused by antibiotic overuse, processed foods, pesticides, artificial sweeteners, chronic stress, lack of sleep. Even one course of antibiotics can wipe out up to 90% of your gut flora. Think about that. So how do we fix it? The answer is food first. Your gut bacteria eat what you eat, and when you feed them the right foods, they multiply and flourish. Let's look at the most powerful gut-healing foods. First, fermented foods. These are natural probiotics, live bacteria that restore and diversify your microbiome. Add sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, plain yogurt, miso, and kombucha to your meals. Just a few spoonfuls a day can dramatically improve digestion, reduce bloating, and strengthen immunity. Second, prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are the fiber that feed your good bacteria. You can find them in garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, artichokes, bananas, especially slightly green ones, and oats. These foods help your microbiome grow stronger, naturally. Third, bone broth, rich in gelatin, collagen, and glutamine. Bone broth helps repair the gut lining and seal tight junctions, key if you're dealing with leaky gut or inflammation. Sip a cup in the morning or use it as the base for soups and stews. Fourth, polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols are plant compounds that reduce inflammation and nourish your good bacteria. Berries, green tea, extra virgin olive oil, turmeric, and dark chocolate, yes, are powerful gut allies. Fifth, high-fiber whole foods. Your gut loves variety, so eat the rainbow. Leafy greens, legumes, carrots, beets, sweet potatoes, apples, and seeds should be staples. Fiber keeps your digestion moving and helps prevent harmful bacteria from taking over. But just as important as what you eat is what you remove. Let's talk about the gut killers. Number one, processed sugar. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria and yeast in your gut, especially Candida. This leads to bloating, brain fog, fatigue, and even skin breakouts. Cutting refined sugar, even for 7 days, can make a massive difference. Number two, refined carbs like white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals. These spike blood sugar, create inflammation, and promote gut imbalance. Number three, industrial seed oils like canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oils. These are high in omega-6 fats that trigger inflammation and weaken the gut lining. Number four, alcohol. Even small amounts can damage gut lining and reduce beneficial bacteria. If you're healing your gut, it's worth taking a break. Number five, antibiotics and NSAIDs. While sometimes necessary, overuse of antibiotics and painkillers like ibuprofen can severely disrupt your microbiome. Always ask your doctor if natural alternatives are available. Now that we've covered what to eat and what to avoid, let's go deeper. Because food is only part of the story. Your gut is deeply connected to your nervous system, your sleep patterns, and even your emotions. Did you know that your gut produces over 90% of the body's serotonin? That's the mood-regulating chemical that helps you feel calm and balanced. When your gut is off, your emotions suffer. Anxiety, irritability, depression, they're not just in your head, they're often in your gut. Here are a few lifestyle practices that support gut healing naturally. 1. Chew your food slowly. Digestion starts in the mouth. Chewing thoroughly reduces the burden on your gut and gives enzymes time to work properly. It also triggers satiety signals so you avoid overeating. 2. Stop eating late at night. Give your digestive system a break. Aim for a 12-hour fasting window between dinner and breakfast. This helps reset the microbiome and promote gut healing. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress weakens the gut lining and reduces microbial diversity. Try meditation, deep breathing, prayer, walking in nature, or journaling. Even 10 minutes a day can create profound shifts. 4. Move your body daily. Exercise helps stimulate bowel movements, balance hormones, and boost microbial health. It doesn't have to be intense, just consistent. 5. Sleep well. Poor sleep disrupts circadian rhythms, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. And now for the surprising practice I promised earlier. It's called gut rest. And it's not about fasting entirely. It's about giving your digestion a break by eating simple, easy-to-digest meals for a few days. This might look like cooked root vegetables, bone broth, light soups, herbal teas, fermented veggies. This reset allows your gut lining to regenerate, reduces inflammation, and can rapidly relieve bloating, gas, and discomfort. Here's what a sample gut healing day could look like. Morning, warm lemon water. Bone broth or light smoothie with banana, greens, and flaxseed. Lunch, cooked quinoa with sautéed kale, olive oil, and sauerkraut on the side. Snack, carrot sticks with hummus or a few slices of avocado. Dinner, steamed sweet potatoes, cooked lentils, and lightly roasted carrots. Evening, chamomile tea or ginger tea for digestion. Stick to this type of eating for 3 to 5 days and see how your body responds. You'll be amazed. And remember, gut healing is not a one-time fix. It's a daily relationship with your body. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you're tired of feeling tired, if you're sick of bloating after every meal, if you've been told everything looks normal, but you know something's not right, start here. Start with your gut. Because when you heal your gut, you heal your life. If this video opened your eyes or gave you hope, please share it with someone who needs to hear this. A family member, a coworker, a friend struggling with IBS or anxiety or autoimmune disease. This could be the breakthrough they've been searching for. And if you want more natural food-based healing, subscribe to The Healthy Junky and hit that bell icon. We've got more videos coming that your gut and your whole body will thank you for. Your healing begins now. One bite, one breath, one day at a time.